वेलकम टू रोहिला स्टेनो क्लासेस। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 3 सेकंड बाद।
Ready? Start. Sir, the other provisions of this bill are equally non-controversial as the reactions in the whole country of all sections of people of all political parties as reflected in the proceedings in the other house have already demonstrated. Now, sir, certain provisions had also been introduced by the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution, which dealt with the powers of the Supreme Court and the powers of the High Courts, as well as the mode of exercise of those powers in those courts. Sir, it had been provided by the 42nd Amendment that High Courts cannot consider the validity of a central law. The definition of a central law did not confine merely to legislation, it included even a statutory notification, with the result that virtually whenever any important exercise of power by the center was to be challenged, then in that case the high courts had been deprived of their power to sit in judgment over the validity of either a central legislation or a rule enacted under the central legislation, or even a statutory notification made by the center into those laws. Sir, it is well known that India is a very large country. India is also a country of poor people. If the high courts, which are important courts exercising jurisdiction inside a state, are deprived of their effective jurisdiction of granting relief against the illegal exercise of powers in the shape of central laws as so defined, and a person is compelled to get relief only through the Supreme Court, then, sir, the position is that this remedy of getting relief against orders, against rules, against laws which might unfairly affect the rights of citizens is virtually taken away from those people, because many of these people in a poor country like India, in a country of such large distances, do not find it possible to get a proper relief from the Supreme Court. So, sir, while the powers of the Supreme Court had been preserved, virtually an impediment which was difficult to cross for so many citizens of this country had been placed in the way of obtaining justice on the part of innumerable citizens of this country. So, sir, an effort has been made by this bill to remove that impediment from the path of the citizens of this country, so that if anything wrong is done in the form of any law whether it is legislation or any statutory notification by the center. The easy method of obtaining justice in the High Court itself, which is more easily accessible to the citizens of India, may be open to them. Stop.
दोस्तों, यदि डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन अवश्य दबा दें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक तुरंत पहुंच सके।